Good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. This is Meteorologist Mike Javer with NEPA Weather Academy with your daily forecast. Today we start out pretty much, let's start with this. We're going to be a lot drier today than yesterday. Yesterday was a really crazy day with plenty of flash flooding between Berwick and up through Bradford County and through Lancaster County. It was just a crazy day overall, but today is looking a lot better, especially for our northern counties. But today we will see that heat and humidity stay in place with temperatures in the mid to upper 80s for most of us, and those dew points will be quite oppressive once again. But the chance of an isolated storm exists mainly south of I-80 today. I'm really starting to think that anywhere through the Lehigh Valley, through the Philly area, has the best chance of seeing an isolated pop-up storm this afternoon. But most areas should remain dry, which is good. And for once, actually, it seems like we're going to get a break from this rain. But again, those dew points are going to be quite oppressive in the upper 60s and low 70s for most of us. And even when you get down to the southeastern PA here, you see values approaching the mid 70s. And so it's basically air you can wear. It's going to be oppressive. It's going to feel awful like it has been the past couple days. And this will continue throughout at least Friday before we might see a little bit of a break from the humidity. But it just seems like it never ends. But we have this stationary front that kind of set up right around the Philadelphia area here. I think this is far enough south where it won't promote any isolated convection in our neck of the woods in any PA. I can't rule out a stray shower or storm maybe in the Poconos through like Pike County or so, but other than that, I'm thinking that 99, or I shouldn't say 99, I should say about 95% of us should remain dry today. But as we get into tomorrow, the storm chances will pick up again, especially for central PA, where there's a low chance of severe weather Wednesday afternoon, as there's a front hanging to the northwest. That's kind of not moving very fast. It's kind of another stationary front, so these storms will be moving pretty slow, and there's a low chance of a severe thunderstorm capable of gusty winds tomorrow. But I feel like most of us in eastern PA will remain dry for at least most of the day tomorrow. I'm not really expecting any precipitation to move until the late afternoon, early evening hours. But with that stationary front, flash flooding will obviously be possible. Once again, as you see, most of the area is in the slight risk here for flash flooding issues. Again, we have that slow-moving front, which just means slow-moving thunderstorms and heavy downpours, and it can just sit over you for a little while, and that causes some flash flooding issues. But let's be honest, I really don't think it's going to be nearly as bad as it was yesterday, and that was just a crazy day. But that's all I have for you guys today. Have a great day, stay dry, and stay cool. I'm meteorologist Mike Javer.